How to log in TD online banking. Welcome to Lemme Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. In your preferred browser, search for TD Bank Login. Tap on any of the suggestion portal. With a tap, you'll be redirected to its official webpage. To log in into your account, at the top in your dashboard, you should find the option called Login. Tap on it. Then, select on Online Banking. Wait until the page loads up completely. To log in into your account, all you have to do is enter your username and your password associated with the TD Bank account. Then tap on Remember Me if you are using your personal device. Select on Log In. In the case of forgotten credential, tap on Forgot Username and or Password. Then, TD Bank will redirect you to a new portal where you can easily recover your account. Just select if it's for username, password, or both. For the sake of the video, I'll be tapping on username and password. In that case, you need to enter your SSN, then select your account type. Then just tap on Continue. After you are verified, you'll be able to recover your account as well. That's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.